All right, YouTube. Just wanted to go into emphasis about this ground. I cleaned it up a little bit more. Before I do that, I actually want to say thank you and to Scanner Danner and greetings from Las Vegas. You can't see the stratosphere, but it's in between these trees right here. Oh, you could kind of see the tippy top right there. But anyways, yeah, Scanner Danner really has a good channel out there that has really good case studies. So I just wanted to help thank him because he does have I guess you could say, almost sort of a distant learning, non-accredited YouTube channel. It's a premium channel, but anyways, yeah, he has some helpful electronic diagnosis stuff and whatnot. But anyways, here's this ground sensor from earlier that I cleaned up a bit. As you can see, it was really corroded. And here's the back here. Just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, I wasn't messing around when I did say that this sensor was, or this ground was really corroded. This is in Las Vegas, a very dry climate. So, I mean, if you live in a place that's next to water, this could get, even worse. So yeah, it's a daily use car. And yeah, you guys just watch out. Just watch out for those bad grounds. I'm sure most mechanics, if you take it to some shop, they'd be like, "Oh, okay, you got to change out these coils, put a new spark, new plugs and wires," as Scanner Danner usually says, and I have personally have that happen to me. Oh, just change this, the boots, and if that doesn't work, well, hey, then we'll call an actual real diagnostic guy. So yeah, I was originally thinking crank position sensor after I saw the RPM jump up and down like that. I checked the alternator diode thanks to Scanner Danner. I never even knew that was an actual thing, a problem. So yeah, I just wanted to take this time to just show you guys the importance of knowledge. I would have this is I guess you could say a free repair. It does cost you the knowledge to learn it, but there's no parts involved in changing it except for just some cleaning with some sandpaper. See that? I'm gonna clean that up real nice and good. So yeah, thank you, Scanner Danner, and later, YouTube. I guess I'll post a video or an update when I get this all cleaned up and put it back on. I'll start it and I'll show you guys how well it runs. Thank you.